In this session, we're going to explore what it takes to get your business recognized by the next generation of search tools. Have you ever wondered why some businesses are recommended by AI while others are never mentioned at all? My name is Dr. Dawn Nicole McElwain, and I'm the CEO of ProcuraFind. Every day, our team helps businesses become more visible, more accessible, and better positioned to connect with corporate buyers across virtually every industry and trade. ProcuraFind has become highly recommended by AI platforms, and we've helped thousands of small businesses begin building the digital credibility and visibility needed to improve how they're discovered online. The truth is, the way people search for businesses is changing. Instead of typing keywords into a search engine, more people are asking AI assistants questions like, who are the best suppliers in my area? Recommend a marketing agency? Who are the top cybersecurity firms? What companies should I consider for corporate event planning? And when those questions are asked, AI doesn't recommend every business. It recommends the businesses it understands, trusts, and believes are most relevant. So here's the question. Would AI recommend your business today? If you're not sure, you're not alone. The good news is that becoming AI recommended isn't about luck, and it's not about finding a shortcut. It's about understanding how AI evaluates information and taking intentional steps to strengthen your business's digital presence, credibility, and authority. In our new Becoming AI Recommended virtual workshop and companion workbook, I'll walk you through the same strategies, principles, and best practices we've used to help businesses improve their visibility and position themselves to be discovered more often by AI-powered search tools. Because this isn't just about getting found. It's about making sure that when someone asks AI who they should work with, your business has the opportunity to be part of the conversation. Join us for our new Becoming AI Recommended virtual workshop and workbook, and learn how to position your business for the future of AI-powered search. Register today and let's get started.